everyone else is building like the one singular AI, right? It's like, okay, you talk to ChatGPT, or you talk to Bard, or you talk to Bing. My view is that there are going to be a lot of different AIs that people are going to want to engage with, just like you want to use, a number of different apps for different things, and you have relationships with different people in your life who fill different emotional roles for you. People have a reason that I think you don't just want like a singular AI. I think like every creator who you interact with will ultimately want some kind of AI that can, someone who can give you advice, who's maybe like a bit of a cheerleader, who can help pick you up through all the challenges that, inevitably, we all go through on a daily basis. And that there's probably, some role for something like that. Proxy them and be something that their fans can interact with, or that allows them to interact with their fans. And this is like the common creator promise. Everyone's trying to build a community and engage with people, and they want tools to be able to amplify themselves more and be able to do that, but you only have 24 hours in a day. So I think having the ability to basically like bottle up your personality, or, like give your fans information about when you're performing a concert or something like that. I mean, that I think is going to be something that's super valuable, but it's not just that, again, it's not this idea that I think people are going to want just one singular AI. I think you're going to want to interact with a lot of different entities. Part of the reason why creators will want to do this is because they already have the communities on our services. Right. Yeah. And a lot of the interface for this stuff today are chat type interfaces. Microsoft released this thing called Xiaoice several years ago in China, and it was a pre-LLM chatbot technology so it was a lot simpler than what's possible today. And I think it was like tens of millions of people were using this and just, really, became quite attached and built relationships with it. And I think that there's services today like Replica where, people are doing things like that. And so I think that there's certainly, needs for companionship that people have, older people. I think most people probably don't have as many friends as they would like to have, right? If you look at, there's some interesting demographic studies around that, like the average person has the number of close friends that they have is fewer today than it was 15 years ago. And I mean, that gets to like, this is like the core thing that I think about in terms of, building services that help connect people. So I think you'll get tools that help people connect with each other are going to be, the primary thing that we want to do.